everyone, and today we are going to draw these 4 eyes because next time we are going to draw K-pop demon hunters. So, draw one curved line here and another one here, and then back up like this, and then go like that, and draw one iris, and then draw the catch light, and then draw the pupil. I'm going to draw the pupil a bit bigger and then colour in the pupil. After, draw these iris, and then as you get downer, it gets a bit lighter. And then really light, and darker, darker, darker here. And then you did the iris. Now colour in the lash here. And then after, draw the lash. And then draw the shadow of the eye. We can draw another character eye. Go like this, and here draw the circle. For the iris, draw the catch light, and then the pupil, and then colour in. After, draw the lash like this. And then draw 3 lashes here. That is one character eye. And then now you have quarter. I can draw another eye, so like this. And the same thing, the catch light, the pupil, and then colour in. That is another eye. And then to draw the last eye, draw a curve here, here, and curves like this. The catch light and the pupil. And then draw the lash like this. Now we are going to add in the color. in the iris, color in this eye with purple. And then the other one with pink. And then after for here, get to your black. And then for this one, get the blue and color very lightly. And then I am going to outline everything that I did with pencil. You can color in the pupil with a marker if you'd like, because adding this in would look more realistic. Well done, you finished your 4 eyes. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!